Welcome to Tessellations, where we serve you GIS in small bites. Today we'll be covering ArcGIS Pro, Hydrology Part 3, Stream Order, Stream Link, and Stream to Feature. In this video, I will discuss how to extract a river network using the Stream Order and Stream to Feature tool. Later on, I will also discuss the Stream Link tool. Previously, we have used this DEM data to derive the flow direction and flow accumulation. We will also use this hillshade data on top of that just to have a better idea of the landscape. We will be using the results of the flow direction and flow accumulation data as our input in this exercise. But first, we need to modify this flow accumulation data to use it in the Stream Order tool. Flow accumulation creates a raster of accumulated flow into each cell. However, as you can see, the default appearance is not helpful. We will render this data. Under Symbology, instead of Stretch, we have selected Classified and we have selected just two classes. We made all cells below 50,000 yellow and everything else black. Now if we zoom in, we can see the streams much better. In the next step, we need to separate these two classes into a new raster. For that, we'll be using raster calculator and we will use this expression, flow accumulation greater than or equal to 50,000. In this output, we have two separate classes. All cells with values equal or higher than 50,000 is 1 and rest are 0. Remember, this 50,000 value will vary depending on your original data. Next, we will go to the Stream Order tool. This new raster will be one of our input and the other input will be the flow direction. Under the method of stream ordering, we have two options, Straller and Shrev. In the Straller method, all links without any tributaries are assigned an order of 1 and are referred to as first order. The stream order increases when streams of the same order intersect. So the intersection of two first order links will create a second order link. The intersection of two second order will create a third order and so on. The Shrev method, however, accounts for all links in the network. In this method, all exterior links are assigned an order of 1. For all interior links in this method, the orders are additive. For example, the intersection of two first-order links creates a second-order link. Intersection of a first and second-order link creates a third order. The Straller method is the most common stream ordering method, and in this exercise, we will go with that one. In our result, in the attribute table, the value column shows the orders of the stream. 1 defines the smallest and outermost tributaries. Here, the 4 is this trunk river, and 5 is the highest order. There is another tool, Stream Link, that assigns unique values to links of a raster linear network between intersections. Links are defined by the sections of a stream channel connecting to two successive junctions, a junction and the outlet, or a junction and the drainage divide. It uses the same input as the Stream Order tool. In the output, you can see it classifies the stream network as well, but as it gives each section a unique value, it does not help separate the trunk river from lower tributaries like the output of Stream Order tool. Now, as the final step for extracting this stream network, we want to get rid of these pixelated lines. Therefore, we will use this Stream to Feature tool. The input will be the stream order output and the flow direction data, and here is the result. The grid code in the attribute table indicate the order of the stream. This tool has converted the raster data into polylines, and we can see the whole river network in the area. To recap, we discussed the Stream Order, Stream Link, and Stream to Feature tools. We discussed how they can be used to extract a stream network. I think this is a great stopping point. This has been Tessellations, where we serve you GIS in small bites. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to visit us at www.tessellations.us. Also, subscribe and ring that bell.